Welcome to Tech Time. From fitness tech to job site gadgets, outdoor gear to wearable wonders, we cover it all. If it's cool, innovative, and techy, we're showing it off. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the future, one gadget at a time. The Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller takes your lawn care to the next level. It connects to Wi-Fi and automatically adjusts your watering schedule based on weather conditions, helping conserve water while keeping your grass green. You can control it with your phone or voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. With support for up to 8 zones, it's perfect for any yard, and it even tracks your water usage to help you save money. Let the Segway Navimow i105N take care of your lawn for you. This robot mower uses GPS technology to map out your yard and mow with precision, all while avoiding obstacles. It's ultra quiet, 58 dB, and runs for up to 2.5 hours on a single charge. With app controls, you can schedule and track mowing sessions right from your phone. The i105N is ideal for yards up to 1 to 3 acre and works in all weather conditions. Add some tech to your garden with smart Flowerpots. These pots are equipped with sensors that monitor soil moisture, light, and temperature, ensuring your plants are always in the optimal growing environment. Some models even offer automated watering systems, so your plants get the right amount of hydration without any effort on your part. Sync with an app to receive updates and manage your garden from anywhere. The Pool Blaster CX300 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is your ultimate pool companion. This compact, lightweight cleaner uses powerful suction to remove debris from your pool's floor, walls, and waterline. It runs for up to 60 minutes on a single charge, making pool maintenance quick and easy. The cordless design means no tangled hoses, and its easy-to-empty debris chamber ensures your pool stays sparkling clean. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Long Spade makes tough digging a breeze. Featuring serrated edges, it cuts through compact soil, roots, and debris with ease. The ergonomic handle reduces strain on your hands and wrists, allowing you to work longer without discomfort. Whether you're planting or preparing garden beds, this durable tool's design ensures efficiency and comfort. It's a must-have for serious gardeners. Give your lawn the care it deserves with the Sunjoe AJ805E electric dethatcher. Powered by a 13-amp motor, this dethatcher effectively removes thatch and moss, promoting healthier grass. It features adjustable depth settings to handle different lawn types, and its large 12-gallon bag collects debris for easy disposal. Whether you're dealing with a thick, overgrown lawn or just want to refresh your turf, this tool does the job fast. Don't let snow slow you down. The Ego Power Plus SNT212 cordless snowblower clears up to 8 inches of snow with ease. Powered by a 56V lithium-ion battery, it provides up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge. The 21-inch clearing width and adjustable chute let you throw snow up to 35 feet. Built with LED lights, it's perfect for clearing snow in low visibility, making winter maintenance fast and easy. Blow away leaves and debris with the Ego Power Plus LB7654. This cordless leaf blower boasts a powerful 765 CFM, cubic feet per minute, air volume, making it ideal for large yards or quick cleanups. It features a variable speed trigger and turbo boost, so you can adjust airflow based on your needs. The 56V battery offers up to 90 minutes of runtime, and its lightweight design ensures comfortable use for extended periods. The Earthwise LSW7000-21 Push Lawn Sweeper is an eco-friendly, hassle-free solution for clearing up leaves and clippings. Its 21-inch wide sweeper easily collects debris as you push, making lawn cleanup quick and efficient. With its 4.4 bushel capacity, you can cover a large area before needing to empty the bag. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's the perfect alternative to noisy, gas-powered blowers. Stay ahead of the weather with the Ambient Weather WS2902 Wi-Fi Smart Weather Station. It provides real-time data on temperature, humidity, wind speed, and rainfall. The station syncs with your smartphone, giving you easy access to all your outdoor conditions. It also features a weather display console and supports integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, making it a great tool for gardeners, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to stay informed. Tired of tangled hoses? The Gardena 66X automatic retractable garden hose reel is the solution. With a spring-powered retraction system, it ensures your hose rolls up neatly every time. The durable, weather-resistant casing protects the hose from the elements, while the automatic rewind saves you time and hassle. It's perfect for keeping your garden tidy and ready for use. The Chapin 63924 24V battery backpack sprayer makes spraying pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides effortless. Its battery-powered pump provides a consistent spray without the need for manual pumping, and the 4-gallon tank means fewer refills. The padded shoulder straps ensure comfort during extended use, while the heavy-duty construction ensures durability for years of reliable service. Ideal for large yards or garden projects. The K5 foldable garden kneeler seat makes gardening comfortable and easy. With its ergonomic design, this kneeler reduces strain on your knees and back while you work. When you're not kneeling, it folds into a sturdy seat, allowing you to take a break while tending to your garden. It includes a detachable, padded foam cushion for extra comfort, and the steel frame can support up to 330 lbs. The electric composter offers a simple way to turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost. With a 14L capacity, it can handle a week's worth of organic waste. Using heat and airflow, it accelerates the composting process, creating finished compost in just a few hours. It's a great way to reduce waste and create rich soil for your garden, all while keeping your kitchen odor-free. The Flame King propane torch kit is the ideal tool for weed control. With a high-intensity flame, 340,000 BTU, it quickly burns away unwanted weeds, grass, and brush without the need for chemicals. It's perfect for driveways, patios, and garden beds, and the piezo igniter makes starting it up quick and safe. It's a fast, eco-friendly way to clear your outdoor space. Take control of your irrigation system with the Eve Aqua Smart Water Controller. This device connects to your faucet and allows you to schedule watering times directly from your phone or through voice commands with Siri. It's compatible with HomeKit, so you can set it to work with your other smart home devices. It's a great way to conserve water while keeping your lawn and garden well watered. Cleaning windows just got easier with the Ecovacs WinBot W2 Omni Window Cleaning Robot. This portable robot uses suction to cling to your windows and automatically navigates to clean both inside and outside surfaces. It features a built-in safety system to prevent falls and can clean a variety of window types, including frameless. Perfect for those hard-to-reach spots and large glass surfaces. Turn your backyard into an outdoor theater with the Vivo Home 20-feet inflatable movie projector screen. This large, durable screen can be set up quickly and easily, allowing you to host movie nights under the stars. The screen is compatible with most projectors and offers a high-definition viewing experience. It's perfect for family gatherings, parties, or outdoor events. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage in your backyard with the TP-Link Deco Outdoor Mesh Wi-Fi. This weather-resistant system ensures reliable internet connectivity throughout your entire outdoor space. Whether you're streaming movies, working from home, or just browsing the web, the Deco's mesh network guarantees fast speeds and stable connections. It's a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Add some ambiance to your outdoor space with the Philips Hue Lily Outdoor Smart Spot Light Kit. These energy-efficient LED lights are perfect for illuminating gardens, pathways, or accentuating landscaping features. With the ability to change colors and control brightness via the app, you can create the perfect mood for any occasion. It also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus is a smokeless fire pit and grill, making it perfect for your backyard BBQs. Using patented airflow technology, it burns wood efficiently with minimal smoke. The Fire Pit Plus also features a rechargeable battery that powers an integrated fan, allowing you to adjust the intensity of the flames. It's portable, easy to clean, and doubles as a grill for cooking food, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings. Take your outdoor entertainment to the next level with the SunBright Veranda 3 Series 55-inch outdoor TV. Designed to withstand the elements, this weatherproof TV provides stunning 4K UHD resolution, even in direct sunlight. Whether you're hosting a game day party or enjoying a movie under the stars, this TV ensures crystal clear viewing, and its anti-glare screen makes it perfect for outdoor use. The Kasa Outdoor Smart Plug lets you control your outdoor devices from anywhere. With 2 outlets, you can power lights, fountains, or other outdoor electronics remotely via the Kasa app or voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant. It's weather-resistant, ensuring durability in all conditions, and offers scheduling and timer options to automate your outdoor lighting or holiday decorations. The Yale Smart Delivery Box provides a secure place for packages when you're not home. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll receive alerts when a package is delivered, and you can unlock it remotely via your smartphone. Its weatherproof design keeps your deliveries safe from the elements, and it's large enough to accommodate most standard packages, so you never have to worry about porch piracy again. Keep your pool or hot tub water in perfect condition with the Crystal Smart Water Monitor. This device monitors chlorine, bromine, pH, and temperature levels, sending alerts to your phone when it's time to add chemicals or adjust settings. It's ideal for those who want to maintain a clean and safe swimming environment with minimal effort, ensuring your backyard pool stays sparkling all season long. And there you have it, 25 incredible items to help transform your backyard into a tech-savvy, functional, and fun outdoor haven. From smart sprinklers and robot mowers to outdoor entertainment upgrades, these products will elevate your space and make backyard living even better. Whether you want to simplify maintenance, add some smart features, or enhance your outdoor activities, these gadgets have you covered. Ready to upgrade your yard? Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.